Hi, I'm Armando with Plomero in Phoenix. For over 15 years, we've helped homeowners in Phoenix work with their insurance companies on plumbing claims. We've handled everything from sewer line repairs and full replacements to slab leaks, water damage, and even restoration putback after major plumbing failures. Here's what we've learned. Dealing with insurance alone can be overwhelming. Claims can get denied, delayed, or buried in paperwork. That's why it's so important to have someone on your side who understands both plumbing and insurance. We provide camera inspections, detailed reports, and documentation the insurance adjusters need. We meet with them on site, explain the situation, and fight to make your claim has the best chance on getting approved. Whether it's a collapsed sewer, a slab leak under your home, or water damage inside, we've navigated even the most complex claims. At Plomero in Phoenix, we're more than just plumbers. We're your insurance claim experts. Don't handle this process alone. Call us today and let our experience work for you. From the first inspection to the final repair, we'll guide you every step of the way.